ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our video. We are attending DGC International School and London in First Certificate English Level FCE 31 weekdays class. We're from Teacher Rebecca's class. Today we're taking part in the TGC Controversial Topics Talk Show 2023. Before we start, let me introduce my group members. So, it's me, Tracy Anderson, and you can also call me Multukida as my Burmese name. I'm about 12 years old. I am currently living in Nibiro.
And I'm Richard, and you can also call me Alpi Pilton. I'm currently 13 years old and living in Piapo.
My name is Christine, and you can call me Nyabyong Bizo, and I'm 13, and I live in Yangon.
My name's Freddie. You may also call me Mihendra Mahan. I am 9, almost 10, and I live in Yangon.
Hello everyone, my name is Pombi Wen, or you can also call me Tony. I'm currently 13 years old and I live in Mandalay.
Hi everyone, I'm Sushil Wei and you can also call me Dolly in friendly way. I'm 13 years old and I'm from Nyangdo.
Emotional damage. What the hell? What's that, radioactive? Oh, yes, that's because of the update. Oh, after the update, they made the game more realistic, so every situation in the game depends on the reality. I think that's just a proof of how hot the art has become.
Therefore, let's start.
Hello everyone, welcome to our Teacher Suit Talk Show 2023. I'm Dr. Dolly Wisden and I will be working as a moderator here. So today we are here to discuss our art, our responsibilities with these best known stars. I'm really glad to meet with all of you. So, the world became horrible and awful things started to happen. Therefore, does it depend on all humans? Mr. Richard, what do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty obvious that humans are the main reasons for making the art and nature ugly. As you know, we are now exploring the outer space, outer art, and we've already landed on Moon, and we are also trying to learn on Mars as well. But that has lots of positive benefits, but in the negative side, we are feeling our relationship with the nature, and like I said, humans have full responsibilities for such as the main problems for the earth. We use too much plastic, chop down so many trees, and produce lots of carbon dioxide. And from these, the earth's weather changes and air pollution is caused. And at last, that leads to the rarity of food and rain. So yeah, humans are the main reasons for making the earth dirty, and yeah. But anyways, it's not too late. We can fix it by changing our actions towards the earth.
Oh, of course. Among these planets that have formed many years ago, is only our world devastated, or what about other planets? Can you tell why?
Well, you see, among all these planets in the solar system, only Earth is in perfect condition to live and grow at present. But that doesn't devastate the Earth. The fact that it is devastating is the way that humans behave the Earth, especially too much using too much materials from the nature without restoring, and littering too much into the water, and so on. So many things so many disturbing actions or ugly actions towards the art. So yeah, we humans are the main reasons for devastating art.
Oh yes, you're right. So after that, Miss Tracy Anderson, could you please present some suggestions about rebuilding the art and whether it is too late to protect our home sweet home art?
Hello, greetings. So, to create a better world for all living beings, we must start by rebuilding our home sweet home, right? So, food is a crucial part of our existence, and saving it should be our top priority if we want to restore the earth. However, there are vast areas of lands that cannot support food growth due to their desert or frozen nature. Right, so I have been researching this issue and have discovered the magnitude of food wastage on social media platforms such as TikTok. Instead, we should donate excess food to the needy. Another present issue is the excessive use of plastic and careless disposal practice, right? So to address this, my team and I have developed a bioplastic that dissolves in water within minutes, preserving its drinkability, although we cannot produce this plastic in large quantities yet. Reducing our plastic consumption habits can be an effective step to rebuild our earth. And it's not too late to begin protecting our planet. Prevention would have been the ideal approach. However, action is better than inaction.
All right, that's perfect. So, Miss Christine, I heard you written a book about ocean life. So I was wondering if I could know something about that and what made you write that book?
So I have been interested in ocean life, especially marine animals, since I was little, and like there are different kinds of marine animals and plants. So I started to study about the ocean life, and I realized that it was in danger, especially the marine animals, because there are millions of plastic pieces and litter that is killing people. Killing hundreds of marine animals on a daily basis. And if that thing kept going, some of the marine animals will go extinct very soon. And it's also making our ocean unhealthy. So I decided to make a book about ocean life so that people will know more about it and make the ocean healthy.
Oh, great. How can we make the people realize they are creating the ocean to be terrible?
So this is basically one of the main reasons I wrote books about ocean life. We need to make videos and books about those and try to get people's attention to ocean life. We have to show them what happens to the ocean after doing something that is like negative for it. And we also have to try our best to make them understand about ocean life and tell them the disadvantages and advantages of doing something to the ocean. And I'm pretty sure that they might understand it.
Oh, interesting. And you, Sir Freddy, how can we repair our world in a good way?
For me, I think rebuilding the earth is the blueprint of designing and building the cities, buildings, homes of tomorrow, and better bioplastic factories, resulting in more conscious, sustainable, and harmless humane living. Cody shows us how we can shift an outdated industrial age framework to a more harmlessly humane digital age framework. Better educational methods and greater currency will also be a great addition to that.
Oh, cool. So, Mr. Tony, I would love to know your focus and goal on rebuilding the earth as a construction engineer.
Alright, so as a construction engineer, my initial focus is on helping the homeless population by constructing homes made from natural and sustainable materials. As the Earth's pollution is becoming worse and worse, we intend to utilize recycled materials such as glass bottles, plastic, and metal waste to produce eco-friendly bricks using specialized machinery. These bricks will be used to build the houses. And in addition to this, we will also construct green structures, which are basically buildings that are covered in plants. The benefits of such structures include the reduction of carbon emissions, energy consumption, and waste, while also minimizing exposure to harmful toxins.
So you might have some difficulties along the way. Sir, could you tell us how many years have you been working as a construction engineer?
So at the age of 22, I began working as a construction engineer, and now at 32, I have a total of 10 years of experience in this field. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you. So, therefore, in conclusion, I hope we can build our new world. There will be no more plastics, no more deforestation, and no more awful things. Our world will be colorful with natural things, as you all mentioned. The earth depends on us, the mankind. only the creatures called humans are destroying our wonderful world. However, not all humans. We are excluded. We are certain that our Earth is going to be the original one, and so this is the end of our talk show. Thank you so much for watching and listening, everyone, and also thank you to ladies and gentlemen. This has been a really great conversation, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Wow.
Bye.